father.
Mm-hmm.
First of all, my father name is Mr. Kishore Saraswal.
Okay.
He lives in Nasrulaganj, Madhya Pradesh.
Uh-huh.
My father is my hero because he has struggled a lot to give us all the
Okay.
luxuries of life. He respects my mother a lot and he helps her in sir घर के काम को क्या बोलेंगे actually मुझे नहीं पता.
Domestic works.
Domestic words whenever he gets time. Being a father is not easy. It comes with a lot of responsibilities.
Okay.
My father also acts like a bodyguard, so no one can harm us. Whenever is a problem in our life, my father always stands us. And he has answered to all my questions and he is very honest person. My father is very kind and very hard work and helping in his nature. My
Uh-huh.
father believes in simple living and my father is very religious. My father is my inspiration.
Inspiration.
Inspiration. I love my father a lot. Thank you very much.